Planes are always going to be flying and planes are always going to be needed to be fixed. So having a mechanic is the way to go. I am very pleased to say that throughout the pandemic, Piedmont has not laid off one mechanic. As long as those planes are flying, we're going to need people to fix them. So, hi, I am Jessica Weney, the Senior Maintenance Recruiter for Piedmont Airlines. So we are here to sign a contract with AIM, so AIM and Piedmont can partner together to help the students potentially become a huge part of the Piedmont family. While they're in school, they're going to be working for us part-time through their 21 months of the program at AIM and potentially work in our maintenance department when they graduate and get their A&P certification. Being a federally mandated field, it's an ultimate, you need it. That golden ticket is definitely something you need. So Piedmont is a wholly owned subsidiary of American Airlines. So we are an East Coast-based company. We have 7 major maintenance bases, and we fly the regional route for American Airlines. At Piedmont Airlines, we're all about caring, compliance, and communication. And I know that AIM is huge on communication and caring for their students. We love AIM. The relationship has fostered and has grown tremendously. It's very rewarding to see the students go through such an intense program, but it's even more rewarding to see them working for us. In all of our 7 maintenance bases right now, we have a decent amount of AIM graduates who are our mechanics currently. They're some of the best mechanics that we see in the field, both men and women. We offer a lot of training for our employees. All of our senior mechanics like to take the non-experienced mechanics under their wing and show them the ropes, show them the ins and outs of how things are done, and also just real life experiences in the hangar until they're really ready to go out and do everything on their own. We are committed to our employees. We are committed to our community. It is definitely an awesome thing to work for a company where you feel comfortable and you love going to your job every day. So to be a part of a company who is, growing tremendously, why not try us out?